Imagine this. You're a QA scientist responsible for aseptic processing at a pharmaceutical manufacturing facility. Suddenly, you observe a sharp increase in viable microorganisms at one of your filling lines. In this scenario, every second counts. Is this issue isolated or could it be systemic? With JMP Environmental Monitoring, you can move from raw counts to defensible insights fast. Let's create a report you can confidently present during an FDA inspection. Here's our dataset. Cleanroom counts across types, grades, and sites. This is the kind of data used in QA reviews under FDA and EU guidance documents. To launch the environmental monitoring feature in JMP, navigate to Analyze, Quality and Process Screening. Select the count variable, the grouping variable, and assign a time column. Set the control chart type to Count and click OK. The report provides summary statistics, control chart alarms, and the best fitting distribution for your data. JMP automatically calculates statistically defensible action and alert limits, highlighting risks that require immediate review. To dig deeper, add the alarm graph for a timeline review of excursions. Clusters around the same time suggest a systemic issue. Hover over data points to view quick graphlets, or select points to generate control charts for specific sites. When it's time to share your findings, export the environmental monitoring report to JMP Live. Whether in team meetings or inspections, you can present alarms, supporting charts, and documented responses with confidence.